Example 5. Light of wavelength 200 nanometer falls on a metallic surface whose work function is 4.21 electron volt. Calculate the stopping potential. Since in the question given wavelength is 200 nanometer, which is nothing but 2 into 10 power minus 7 meters, and work function is given 4.21 electron volt, we need to calculate stopping potential. According to the equation given by Einstein of photoelectric effect, so kinetic energy is equal to energy of light minus work function. So kinetic energy can be written as E V naught. V naught is stopping potential. Energy of light can be written as hc by lambda minus work function. So work function stopping potential is equal to hc by lambda into E minus work function by E. So let us substitute the values. Stopping potential is equal to hc is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 by lambda is 2 into 10 power minus 7. E is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Work function is 4.21 electron volt by electron. So electron get cancelled. So stopping potential will be equal to, so 6.6 into 3 is 19.87 into 10 power minus 26 by 2 into 3, 1.6 is 3.2 into 10 power minus 26 minus 4.21 volts. 10 power minus 26, 10 power minus 26 get cancelled. So V naught value will be 19.87 by 3.2 minus 4.21. We will finally get 2 volts.